Hi there, and welcome to the Contabo channel. I'm Jairo, and in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to implement a CDN or content delivery network for your website. A CDN can drastically boost your site's speed, reduce bandwidth, and improve performance for visitors around the world. Let's get started. Now, what is a CDN? A CDN is a globally distributed network of servers that caches your website's static content, like images, CSS, and JavaScript, and delivers it from your locations closest to your user. It reduces load times, saves bandwidth, and adds a layer of protection against traffic spikes or attacks. First, pick a CDN provider. Some great options include Cloudflare, Bunnynet, Amazon CloudFront, or KeyCDN. For this video, we'll use Cloudflare, which works great with Contabo servers. After adding your domain, Cloudflare will scan your DNS records and give you new name servers. Head to your domain register and replace your current name servers with the ones from Cloudflare. DNS changes may take up to 24 hours to propagate. Once your domain is active on the CDN, log into the dashboard and tweak a few settings for optimal performance. Enable caching, minify HTML, CSS, JS, turn on broadly or gzip compression, and enable SSL. Now, test your setup with tools like GTmetrix or PageSpeed Insights. You should see faster load times and lower resource usage. Now, how to use CDN in a WordPress if you use that? Setup of a WordPress CDN is even easier. Just install the Cloudflare plugin or a caching plugin like WP Rocket and connect your account. To clear the CDN cache in WordPress, open the Cloudflare plugin settings in your dashboard and click Purge Cache. This is useful after updates or design changes to ensure visitors see the latest version of your site. And that's it! You have now implemented a CDN to make your website faster, safer, and ready for global visitors. Whether you're hosting with Contabo VPS or dedicated server, a CDN adds a serious value. If you found this tutorial helpful, like this video, subscribe to the Contabo channel, and leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy hosting with Contabo!